Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to add Roblox to your Discord status. So let's get started. So here we are in roblox.com, and what we want to do first is simply choose a game. Any game will do, and what you want to do is simply launch it. As you can see right here in this button, you just need to click this button and you would be launching this game, any game of your choice. And as you can see, I have launched here my game. This is the game that I chose right here, and if you go to my Discord right here, and as you can see, I have the Roblox right here, indication that it is showing in the server that I am using or playing Roblox right here. Let's set this first into active right here so that you can see, and as you can see right here, it is saying that playing Roblox, and if you have this notification or this pop-up right here, it means that it is showing that you are playing Roblox as long as you have your status as online right here. You must not set this into invisible, do not disturb or idle. You just need to go and set it into online so that other people might see it. But if you are not seeing this notification or pop-up right here, then you can go into settings right here, and you want to go into activity settings and activity privacy, and you want to make sure that this display current activity as a status message is currently enabled, so that you would have this right here. And that's basically it.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.